Hello everybody, so today I will talk about geometry. The topic today is about the plane. So now I will show you how to answer. In the space Cartesian coordinates, the plane P goes through point M to 1, negative number 3 and perpendicular with plane Q x plus y plus 3z plus 1 equals to number 0 and plane R 2x minus y plus z equals to number 0. The question, we need to find the equation of plane B. So now I will show you how to answer. We know that plane B, it is perpendicular to Q and R. So we can use about the normal vector Q. That should be about, we have coefficient in here, that's about 1. So we have 1. Y we have number 1, so we have 1 in here. And number 3 we put in here. And the next one, normal vector of R, that should be about 2, negative number 1, and Z is about number 1. Now the next one, we can use about cross product between vector and Q and vector and R. So we know that I will put into the matrix. This is about I, J, and K in here. So about I, that is about S. So this is about S in here. So the matrix, we need to put that is about number 1, number 3, negative number 1, positive number 1. About J, that's about Y. Here is about Y in here. Now I need to put the negative sign in here, because when we put the matrix, this one is about positive, negative, positive. That's why I need to put the negative sign next to this matrix. So we have 1, 3, 2, 1. This one is about positive, so this is about J in here. Z in here. So we have 1, 1, 2, and negative number 1. So we have number 1 multiplied by number 1 minus negative number 1 multiplied by number 3. We calculate about this one and we will have about 4. 1 plus 3, you got about number 4, because negative with negative you got about positive. Now you can do same with J. 1 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiplied by 3. This one you got about negative number 5, but we have the negative sign in here, so you got positive number 5. This one, 1 multiplied by negative number 1, you got negative number 1 minus 2 multiplied by 1. So we have negative number 2, negative number 1, negative number 2. We have negative number 3. And we know that plane P is perpendicular, so this value in here, that is about the normal vector of plane P. Now the next one, the plane P goes through the point M to 1, negative number 3. So we have formula of the plane, that's about AS plus BY plus CZ plus d equals to number 0. So we have the normal vector of b, that's about 4, 5, and negative number 3. So we put number 4 in here, number 5 in here, and negative number 3 in here. Next, x, y, z, that's about the point M. We put the value of number 2 in here, number 1 in here, and negative number 3 in here, because we want to find the value of d in here. So this one we will have 4 with number 2 is about 8, 5 with number 1 is about 5, negative number 3, you got about positive number 9. So we sum 3 numbers together, and this one we will have about 22. And we can find the value of d. We put number 22 go to the right, and we have negative number 22. And now we have the normal vector in here, and we can find the final answer. That should be about 4x plus 5y minus 3z minus 22 equal to number 0. And this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.